This tutorial is about how to load model forecast and satellite imagery into the Cook Inlet Response tool. The Alaska Ocean Observing System can query a variety of forecast models produced by other institutions and research groups and visualize them on a centralized map. For this tutorial, we're going to start from a blank slate with no model layers loaded. If you access the Cook Inlet Response tool through a bookmark, you may already have a model layer on your screen, but we want to make sure that you can get there yourself. We'll start by selecting a model that we're interested in using the search box. Say we'd like to view water temperature. Here's an option called Water Temperature at Surface and Depth. You'll notice that model layers have a light blue layer icon. We'll click on the icon and the layer will load in the legend and on the map. We can click the question mark to look at the metadata for the layer, which may also include links to more information. Now we can see model output for water temperature at the surface. This is a forecast model, so you can use the time slider to notch the model ahead in time and see what is predicted 3 hours from now. Similarly, you can notch the model back in time to see what the model predicted several weeks ago. Some models in the Model Explorer go back multiple years. This model is three-dimensional, so next we'll look at how to visualize temperature lower down in the water column. We'll go down to 200 meters and we'll see that the geographic boundary is changed to only places that are at least 200 meters deep. Perhaps you are actually interested in what is happening at a specific point over time. Maybe you're handling an incident or conducting a research project, and you want to see what temperature is like at that location during a certain season. This is when you want to employ the Virtual Sensor tool. The Virtual Sensor allows you to query the model as to a specific location and retrieve a time series that you can download. For this example, let's say we're interested in the area just off Anchor Point. We'll click the Virtual Sensor tool on, and then click the mouse at our point of interest. It may take a moment to load, since thousands of runs of the model are being analyzed in order to produce the product. Now we have a graph, and as we mouse over the line, we can see specific values along the time series. We can also view the data in a table by clicking Data, or we can download that data into a spreadsheet by clicking Download. You can also change the opacity of the model by clicking on the wrench and sliding it back and forth. This might give you a better view of the base layer. If you would like to save or share your view, you can click the bookmark button. This creates a link that you can copy and paste into a browser or email. Now it's your turn to explore model layers. If you have feedback, please submit comments using the red feedback tab on the left side of the screen.